Hey guys, Aaron here. I just had a leak in the tire on my motorcycle. I came out and found the tire flat, so I just wanted to show you guys a quick video on how to figure out where the leak is coming from on a tire. Luckily, I had an extra spray bottle laying around, so I just put a bunch of Dawn detergent in it and filled it up with water. Then I took my air compressor and filled the tire back up. It was really flat, so I just made sure to put enough air in it that it is holding a good amount of pressure there. And as you can see, the tire is wet because what I did is just spray on the soapy water everywhere and let it sit there for a second. And you will quickly be able to see once you find the leak. You see those big bubbles? You will be able to see air as it's coming out create large bubbles. I get rid of that, I can see right there that there is a small puncture in the tire. So I'm gonna have to patch this up, or actually, since my tire is already pretty close to the wear bars here, it's about time for a new one anyways. Your options are either to patch or replace. So as you can see with that simple soap solution, it's really easy to find. So hope this helped you guys out. Give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.